Have you ever wondered about the transformative power of worship? Worship is more than just singing. It's a heart's posture towards God, igniting faith and hope within us. Psalm 102 says, "Worship the Lord with gladness. Come before him with joyful songs." This scripture invites us to find joy and peace through praise. When we worship, we shift our focus from our struggles to God's greatness, inviting his presence into our lives. Worship can be a healing balm, soothing the weary soul and renewing our spirit. It acts as a bridge, connecting us to the divine and reminding us of God's promises. In moments of worship, we experience restoration, as burdens are lifted and hearts are transformed. Personal application of worship involves setting aside time daily to praise, whether through song, prayer, or reflection. Consider starting each day with a worship song that uplifts your spirit. As you do, pray for healing and transformation, asking God to renew your heart. Worship is powerful. It changes our perspective and aligns us with God's will. If these messages touch your heart, don't forget to like this video to support our channel and help spread God's wisdom. Share this message with someone who needs encouragement today. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an inspiring video. Comment below and let us know which lessons spoke to you the most. Thank you for being a part of our community. May God bless you on your journey of faith.